Hey guys, it's Mava and welcome back to Meet Ava and Nolan. Today I'm here with my brother Nolan. Today we're going to be opening Lost Kittens. It says, who's hiding inside? There's 5 kittens and it's made from Hasbro. It says find 20 surprises and it's series 1, but it also says 1 kitty from series 2. So let's get started. It's really big, so... So the shaving compound. I have a cat. I don't know what you got. Oh, I got one on the box, guys. This one looks pretty annoyed. Let's open this up. Oh! Ooh, look at this! I knew it. So I guess this... hold on. Oh, this one's so cute, guys! I have a little one. So this is the first box. I have a red one. Oh, so let's see who I have a red one, Mommy. We got. The yellow one. Very curious. We got Flakes and Flush. Kitty in a bag, guys. It looks like it's shimmering. Aww. So let's see who he got. He got Totes. So cute. Totes. This one is Tummy Nummy. Tummy Tum. Oh, Tummy Tum. Oh my God, Totes is from series 2. No wonder it's like this. Taco! Chomp! I'm getting all the cute ones. This one's actually really cute. This one's my favorite. And then this one's my second because I love tacos. Hope I get got it! And it's so sparkly. Ooh. It's my favorite color too. We need to wash our hands. Yeah, it's actually really dirty. Oopsie. And this Lost Kitties. Look! It's so cute. It's sparkly. We have Cheesy, Flakes, Chomp, Tummy Tum, Flush, Specks, Stuffs, Pixie Purrs, and from series 2 we have Boops and Totes. My brother and I are going to be building something with the compound. So we made a park.
And we made the fish.
So this is the seesaw, and I try to make a slide and a string. Now, me and my brother are gonna be picking our favorite kitty.
That's all. Me. This one. So adorable.
This one is really flexible and it's also really cute. It's really shimmery and it's blue, my favorite color. Okay, so now we're gonna be taking turns picking our favorite. Go pick one.
This one. Adorable.
I'm gonna pick the pizza. That's fine. Which one are you gonna pick? It's actually really good. I'm gonna get the toilet.
And I can get this one.
I'm gonna take the
And I can take
Guess I'm gonna stick with this one.
Okay.
So this guy, he's in the porta potty and he's
Don't want
right there in the
dry.
toilet. This guy's gonna eat a taco, and this guy got his head stuck in the pizza. These two are you gonna play on the seesaw?
Don't want the gum. Look at that there. Don't want the gum.
Yay!
And she wants the gum too.
That's a party, I guess. Thank you for watching with Ava and Nolan. Comment down below which one do you like the most. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Slimy, slimy.